Hello and welcome back to this series of quick tutorials on how to use Xero. We're going to have a look at the profit and loss report now. This report is very useful, especially if you've got a lot of data on Xero already, and we can have a look at the performance of the business. So let's head over to Xero. Okay, we're looking at the dashboard right now. This is what you see when you first log in, and we need to click on Reports and then Profit and Loss. This is the new version of the report, or at least it should be. Yes, it is. There is an old version, so if it looks different to this, if it looks a bit older, you might need to go into all reports, and you can see here we've got the old profit and loss report and the new one. You can see that's new there. Now what you need to do is you need to star it. You can star and unstar these. If you star it, it will show here under the report section, and that's the same for most of these tabs. You can star certain reports, certain features, and they will show under the menu. So back on the profit and loss report, we're having a look at this financial year. You can change that. There are a few options. You can do a custom period as well, but we're happy with this. Just a brief overview of what you're looking at. Your turnover is your income. It then takes off your cost of sales. This is your direct expenses, and it's usually purchases, the purchases account. But you might also see things like materials and labour, and your accountant will have helped you with that. This leaves you with your gross profit. After that, we've got all the other expenses that your business might have. These are generally called your overheads. So we've got things like advertising, we've got your accountancy fee, and all general things, telephone and internet, and so on. And it leaves you with your operating profit. If your accountant has done your accounts as well, or they might regularly look at your system on Xero and post an estimate of corporation tax, then you would also see tax being deducted here to leave you with your overall profit after tax. You can also compare periods by clicking on report settings, so you can compare with the previous year, or if you were looking at the current month, you could compare with the previous 3 months. So it might be of use to you there. You could see the seasonality in performance, or see any risky areas where they need more focus. Okay, so that is the profit and loss report. I hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.